This man comes on the phone. He said, "You're going to give me $5,000.
I heard our daughter on the phone. Like, it was unmistakably her.
The rise of artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever before to be a scammer.
Jennifer DeStefano will never forget the frantic call she got from her 15-year-old daughter, Brianna.
And she was, "Mommy's bad man, Happy, help me, help me, help me." And this man gets on, very aggressive. "Listen here, I had your daughter." And then that's when I went into panic mode.
The man demanded $1 million.
I said that wasn't possible. So then he came up with a $50,000.
She never paid the money and would soon learn the call was a popular AI scam. New software can recreate the voices of loved ones in distress, and scammers use that to ask for large sums of money.
Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI scams. Imagine you're not just any scammer, you're armed with the latest AI tools, and your goal is to make your scam as believable and scalable as possible. With just a few clicks, you feed this information into powerful AI engines tools that anyone can access for free or at a low cost.
Artificial intelligence is also emerging as a powerful tool for fraudsters to commit scams.
The government is cracking down on a new scam involving artificial intelligence.
What's even more worrying here, more people are falling for it.
Experience fraud and fraud losses more often than older people. But it's that older adult who has so much to lose.
Cybersecurity expert Pete Nicoletti created my voice from old news reports online. What you're about to hear is something I never said.
Hey, this is Carter. I need your credit card number right now.
I mean, that really sounded like me.
It is you. It's cloned you. It's AI Carter.
To test it out, we called my mother.
Hey, I'm about to do an interview, but I have a quick question. I need you to text me your driver's license number as soon as you can.
She fell for the fake voice. I feel bad.
I feel terrible
I think we
about
just
it.
scammed my mom. Did you just get a call from me?
Asking for my driver's license number?
Yes. That was an AI-generated voice.
Oh, God, Carter, that's scary. Is this the real you now?
This is the real me now.
We live in a post-real society. You can't trust the voice, you can't trust the photo, and you can't trust the video anymore.
A voice is like a fingerprint, and that's that unique fingerprint that's being exploited and weaponized. It has to stop.
Actually, I'm talking about your private computer, not a company computer.
Oh, I see. You're talking about my little old computer at home. Well, it's just my personal one, you know. I use it mostly for looking up knitting patterns and, the occasional recipe for scones.
Okay, find a glass and turn it on. Just come to the home page.
Oh, bless. I think I might be getting there.
Come to the home page at your computer, okay?
It's taking a bit longer than usual.
Hello, I'm not able to understand. What are you doing, ma'am? I just try to help you on that. Can you please come to the home page in your computer?
Oh, I'm so sorry, dear. I'm doing my best. Oh, dear. I'm 78 years young. You know, back in my day, we didn't have all this technology. Everything was much simpler. What about you, dear?
Okay. And you think that it is a joke, right? You're trying to kidding with me.
I'm just a little confused with all this technology.
I think your profession is bothering people, right?
Oh, bless. I wouldn't want to bother anyone. I'm just trying to have a little chat.
You can see an application named Play Store. P-L-A-Y, Play Store.
Dear, did you say pastry? I'm afraid I'm not quite on the right page.
No, ma'am. I'm talking about the Play Store application. Play Store. It's not pastry.
Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I'm a bit muddled. So Play Store. I'm trying to get there. My screen seems to
Open up the application.
Oh dear, I think I clicked something wrong.
Open up the application.
It seems to have gone black. Is that supposed to happen? How do I get it back?
You can't see anything right now.
That's right, dear. Just blackness, like the night sky. I hope it comes back soon. What should I do?
Turn on your mobile phone, ma'am. Turn on your mobile phone.
Oh dear, let me just check the buttons. I think I pressed something. It was so long since I turned this on. All right, dear. I'm going to press and hold this button for a moment.
Like, ma'am, if you're aware of that and you don't know how to use your mobile phone, like if you're wasting our time, then You're going to lose all of your money, ma'am, because somebody's trying to take out your money and we're just trying to upgrade the security.
Oh, I've got the home screen back.
Yeah, just open up the Play Store application, ma'am. Try to find out the Play Store. Play Store.
Oh dear, I see a triangle icon, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. It could be a slice of pie, you know, my eyesight isn't what it used to be. Let me just squint at it.
Just try to find out the written icon. It's a Play Store. Play, Play Store.
Oh, bless, it's still like loading. I hope it doesn't take too long, dear. Do you have any lovely pastries in your area? I do adore a good scone. If you're interested, I could share my recipe for a lovely...
Listen to me, ma'am. I'm not interested in your recipes, okay?
Oh dear, you sound a bit frustrated.
I'm about to show you just how easy it is to turn a basic voicemail scam into a highly deceptive, AI-powered trap, using only free tools.
Hello. This is an automated message from the Internal Revenue Service. We have identified an urgent tax issue with your account. Please call us back immediately at 1-800-67 to resolve this matter. Failure to respond may result in account suspension. Thank you.
This is a live demo. Use ChatGPT to humanize it, and finally run it through PLA, a realistic text-to-speech engine, to hear just how convincing it becomes. We ask ChatGPT to enhance it. Make it sound like a real IRS employee. Add casual language. Make it believable. And here's what it gives us. Hey, this is Michael from the IRS. Just wanted to give you a quick call. Looks like there's a mismatch with your reported income and the info from your employer. Boom. In seconds, the scam sounds personal, friendly, and real.
Hey, this is Michael from the IRS. I just wanted to give you a quick call because we've noticed a bit of a mismatch between your reported income and the information we've received from your employer. Could you give us a call back at your earliest convenience? My direct line is 1-800-67. It's really important we sort this out quickly to avoid any issues. Thanks a lot, and chat soon.
Next, we feed the script into an AI-powered voice generator. These tools are no joke.
Hello. This is an automated message from the...
They use deep learning to replicate human tone.
Hey, this is Michael from the IRS.
Rhythm, and emotion. And over a phone call? You'd never know it wasn't a real person. Let's hear how it sounds. That's the final audio. Clean, confident, human. What started as a scammy robocall is now a professional-sounding message. One that could easily fool someone not paying close attention. And remember, this entire process took less than 5 minutes. With free AI tools, scammers are now using AI to run dozens of fake romantic conversations at once. They craft emotional, personalized chats, speak any language, and even use face-swapping tools to appear on video calls as whoever you think they are. Their goal? Build trust. Then use it to scam victims emotionally and financially, often through fake investments. This tactic, known as pig butchering, slowly fattens the victim with attention, before the financial slaughter. Imagine getting a video call from your boss or a loved one, asking you to send money urgently. Deepfake AI makes that possible. In one real case, a finance worker in Hong Kong was scammed out of $25 million by deepfaked executives on a fake Zoom call. The tech is getting too good. And spotting the difference? Nearly impossible. AI bots now run fake accounts that look totally real. They comment, DM you, post news, and slide into your inbox like they've known you forever. Some are used to spread fake investment tips. Others manipulate opinions or harvest your data. Think you're chatting with a friend? You might be chatting with a bot. Phishing emails used to be full of spelling mistakes and bad formatting. Not anymore. AI now writes perfect emails that mimic company styles, from PayPal to Facebook to Dropbox. You click, you log in, you lose everything. If you reply to a phishing message, AI bots now jump in to chat. They respond fast, with emotion and logic, just like a real person. And after a few messages, they sneak in a malware link or ask for sensitive info. You think it's safe. It's not. Ever heard of pump and dump? AI has supercharged it. Scammers use bots to flood social media with hype about a tiny crypto coin. People buy in, price goes up, scammers sell, and the market crashes. They even simulate fake trading volume to make it look legit. 1 minute you're investing in the next big thing, the next you're holding digital dust. So what have we learned? AI is powerful, and not always for good. Scammers now have the same tools we do, and they're using them faster than ever. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and most importantly, stay informed. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. And check out our next video, where we expose even more shocking AI scams you need to know about.